Hello everyone, this is Dave, and today I will teach you how to use the transcriber tool in order for you to start working and transcribing on the audio files. So I will be giving you a link to where you can download the tool, and then once you already have that set up and installed on your PC or laptop, you will see as what I click, this one. Ito yung tool na nilagay ko sa taskbar. So, it's just one click away the moment I open the laptop. And then, pag nag-launch na siya, it will give you another pop-up that will prompt to ask you na mag-import ng audio file. So, ako, I downloaded another audio file and I saved it on the desktop. You just have to open it through the pop-up and then it will automatically import. So this is what you will see the moment na import mo na siya sa tool. So you have the option to show it all in one display, which is better. And in order for you to start working on your transcription, you first need to make sure that it's in the right format. So go to Options, click on General. Make sure that ang encoding nyo ay nasa Unicode UTF-8 as preferred ni client. And then tick on Ask User to Save Configuration before leaving, and that will prompt you to save your progress from time to time. So this is very safe because in cases na mag-crash si laptop, mag-shutdown unexpectedly, or mag-crash ang tool, then you get to save your progress and go back to where you left off. So, there. Since andito na si audio, I will show you how or what is my technique kung paano napapadali yung pagtatranscribe ko. So you will be given segments to where the maximum time frame is 1 to 15 seconds ng segment na pwede nyong i-type. So makikinig tayo sa audio. This is not going to be very clear kasi si recorder ko hindi premium, so it doesn't capture the audio file. So you notice this blue bar or button. This is where you set the speakers, but I do this sa last part na pagtapos na akong ma-transcribe lahat. This is a 10-minute video and I will show you how I do it. So makikinig tayo. Make sure that you follow the guidelines na ibibigay namin sa inyo in order for you to successfully transcribe and for you to get your transcription validated. Okay, so from there, let's play the audio. By the way, this is going to be a news file. It's a recording on one of the news segment in BBC. It started with the music, so you have to separate the segment for the music, and so you can create the label at lagay mo na it's a music segment. So as you can hear, narinig nyo yung reporter na nagsalita. So putulin nyo, you can click pause, move nyo konti kung saan natapos yung music. This is where you will notice kung ilang seconds. So you click enter para ma-separate mo yung segment. Since nagsalita na si reporter, let's listen to it again. For me, hindi ko na siya pinopause kasi mas madali siyang i-enter na lang. Every time na nag-15 seconds, and if you feel na more than 15 seconds yung isang sentence ni speaker, you segregate it to another segment na naman. Alright, so here's how you do it. So that is one example on how I do the transcription. Kasi every time you click on the segment and you play this one, ito yung nagre-represent ka segment. This blue-green bar here. So this segment is for the reporter whose name is Jernia. So kung i-click mo to, tas you hit play, ito lang yung segment na magpe-play, where you can always go back and check on the audio, so you can type in what she's been saying. So, para makapag-create ka din ng label, gawa ka muna ng first label dito, create speaker, lagyan natin music, unknown, and then, okay. Okay. So, in order for you to add another label, kasi sa segment na to, si Jernia na yung nagsasalita, you hit Control T, it will ask you to add another speaker. So, ilagay mo na yung name ni Jernia. Global name. So, every time na mag-add ka ng label, is you will, every time na mag-add ka ng label dito, i-click mo na lang si Control T, at tapos pipili ka na lang kung sino. If may bagong speaker, then that's the time you click Create Speaker. Then, set their type and click on Global Name, if it's a name, and then click OK. So from there, gawin natin tong first sentence ni Jernia. Kasi yung second segment, it's still going to be her, so you don't need to create another label. So, let's listen to what she said. Dito sa segment na to. So, nakalimutan ko siya. I-click mo pala to. And you play this one. Tapos, syempre, hindi mo naman makukuha all at the same time. So, make sure that the spelling is correct. Walang inappropriate capitalization and all that stuff. May guidelines tayo for that. So, you play it again. So, if you want to verify if you got it correctly, click mo lang yung play again. There. And then you proceed to working on everything and so on and so forth. Tapos, the moment that you guys are done, tapos nyo na din si label, click File, Save, and make sure na yung original file name should be the same name as you downloaded it. You don't need to change anything, and make sure na wala this one. This is a sign na copy na yung dinownload nyo. So you can remove this one. And you should be good to go.